warning for central Maricopa County in south central Arizona. This includes the cities of East Mesa, Gilbert, Chandler, north central Pinal County in south central Arizona. This includes the city of Apache Junction until 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 4:01 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing dime-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Augusta Ranch, or 7 miles southwest of Apache Junction, and moving west at 10 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Phoenix Mesa Gateway Airport, Superstition Springs Mall, Santan Village Mall, Falcon Field Airport, Tumbleweed Park, Fiesta Mall, Mesa Riverview Mall, Chandler Fashion Center Mall, Salt River Indian Community, Chandler City Hall, Downtown Mesa, Freestone Park, and Gilbert City Hall. Wind damage with this storm will occur well ahead of any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the storm to arrive before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. In addition to damaging winds, frequent deadly lightning is occurring. Get to shelter inside of a sturdy building. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following counties in Arizona: Maricopa and Pinal. You are listening